Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Krave Beauty Great Barrier Relief. This is a reparative skin soothing serum and it looks like this. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who has been practicing for over 10 years. I love to test and review skincare products. If you like all of those things, if you love skincare products, consider subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell. I do upload videos regularly and I also upload, shorts throughout the week. So check out that shorts bar as well. Great Barrier Relief is described as a reparative serum that calms sensitivity and a compromised skin barrier while also calming redness and irritation. The serum can be found at cravebeauty.com and Cult Beauty. As of the date that I am filming this, a 1.52 ounce unit like this retails for $28, and they do offer a jumbo size unit which is 3.38 ounces, and that retails for $50. Krave Beauty suggests that you apply 1 to 2 pumps before your moisturizer. This can be used during the day and at night. You can pair this with other active ingredients such as AHAs, BHAs, retinoids, and vitamin C, and you don't have to avoid actives when using this serum. This can actually act as a buffer to reduce any irritation that actives can cause. This is a well-rounded formula with some of the best ingredients available designed to repair and soothe skin. We see over 20 hydrators and a number of anti-aging ingredients. I like that there are a number of oils included within this formula, rich in phospholipids and glycolipids that hydrate, are rich in antioxidants, and have anti-aging benefits. We see Rosa Canina fruit oil, also known as rose hip oil, and this moisturizes skin, provides it with fatty acids that soothe and strengthen your skin's barrier. We see Ceramide NP, a hydrating anti-aging ceramide that reinforces the skin's barrier strength and helps improve the look and feel of dry, dehydrated skin. Great Barrier Relief also includes sodium hyaluronate, niacinamide, squalane, and lactic acid, which I appreciate and did not know was included within this formula. We have lactic acid and urea here, both of which are exfoliants. All this time, when I was using this to repair my barrier, I was like, there are no exfoliants here, and we've had exfoliants here all this time. I first began to use Great Barrier Relief the last 2 weeks of January after I stopped using the Medicube, Exosome, Cica, and Puel. If you'd like a review on this, let me know in those comments. I was surprised with this texture. For some reason, I expected a gel kind of like this, or more of a clear liquidy formula, but I welcomed the creamy lotion-like texture. I did find this to be soothing, calming, and initially I used this at night and woke up with less redness, less irritation along my cheek area, which is where an impaired barrier tends to kind of show itself a little bit more. I will say there is a bit of scent to this, bit of a smell. One that I don't notice when I apply it to my face, but one I did notice when I kind of swatched it for today's video. And there is a slight stickiness and tackiness to this, but it's not overwhelming for my sensorial friends out there. I will say that I reached for Great Barrier Relief when the heat and flushing had been restored and my skin just felt and looked irritated and red. I have used a number of skin soothing and repairing serums in the past. From what I can remember, the textures were more watery, serum-like, where again, this is more like lotion and creamy, but still a serum. And I also used the Medicube Exosome Cica Ampule before I used Great Barrier Relief. And I like them both for different reasons. I will keep using Great Barrier Relief here and try to do like more of a healing, reparative nighttime skincare routine at least once a week. I do have normal skin, and I think that this would work for me year-round. And although this is a lotion slash creamy serum, it's not super rich or heavy, so I can see this working for me year-round. I think all skin types would actually enjoy this. From over 2 weeks of use, I noted a restored, stronger barrier, redness, irritation that stemmed from perhaps excessive exfoliation or using a cleanser with essential oils. Great Barrier Relief worked well with a number of moisturizers from different ranges and different consistencies. I used moisturizers from First Aid Beauty, Drunk Elephant, and Pharmacy. I will link my review to Pharmacy's Honey Cloud, which is a lightweight barrier repair moisturizer. I will link that review for you up above. I didn't pair this serum with a lot of other serums, as I was truly trying to just take it easy when performing this test because I was also trying to repair my barrier. So towards the end, after my redness and irritation had resolved, I did pair it with a vitamin C serum, which I will also hopefully be reviewing for you in the future. And I paired those two as a way to buffer the potential irritation from vitamin C. Great Barrier Relief worked well with chemical and physical sunscreens, all without pilling. And I did not pair Great Barrier Relief with an oil, but I do think that this would work with a facial oil in case you do use them. Also, there are oils included within this formula. However, I do think they are like very light oils. And although this worked well during my daytime and nighttime skincare routines, I loved using this more so during my nighttime routines. So I would remove my makeup with the PCA Daily Cleansing Oil, cleanse with the Krave Beauty Matcha Cleanser, work a First Aid Beauty Ultra Hydrating Pillow Pad over the skin. Let me know if you are interested in seeing a review on these. I have thoughts. And then I'd apply my current favorite eye cream, 2 pumps of Great Barrier Relief, and seal everything in with the Pharmacy Ceramide moisturizer. Great Barrier Relief would work on all skin types, sensitive skin, anyone that perhaps is prone to eczema as well. If you are dealing with a compromised or impaired barrier, this should help strengthen and repair. Say you perhaps over-exfoliated or used a product with fragrance or essential oils, this serum should help to strengthen and repair your skin. I absolutely love that you do not have to avoid any actives when using this serum, as this can actually buffer irritation that actives can cause. From use, of course, I noted a 100% improvement in my damaged skin barrier after 2 weeks. This is results driven, and I absolutely adore the price point. There are no drying alcohols, fragrance, or essential oils here within this formula. No irritating ingredients. My con, for those who are sensitive to perhaps scents, there is a little bit of like a natural ingredient smell, so just be warned. I am not sensitive to scent. I am rating Great Barrier Relief a 10 out of 10. It truly helped my skin recover after dealing with a compromised barrier in 2 weeks. I honestly thought that it was going to take me months to repair my skin, but this serum definitely helped to heal and repair it in 2 weeks when used morning and evening. Let me know if you've used this product by Krave Beauty in the comments down below. What were your results? What's your skin type? Would you recommend this to others? Let's discuss down below. Thank you so much for watching, for spending some time with me today, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss any future uploads. Hit the like button if you learned something new, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.